This man makes 20 toys in a day. So how many toys do you think can he make in 5 days? Well, he makes 20 in a day. We want to find how many can he make in 5 days. So if he makes 20 in one day, in 5 days he would make 20 into 5, which would be 100. Or you can see this as the total toys that he can make would be toys that he makes in a day times the number of days he works. So he makes 20 toys in a day into or times the number of days. He wants to see how many toys can he make in 5 days. So into 5, which is 100. So the total toys he can make in 5 days is 100. Now let's say he gets a deal to make 160 toys. How much time would it take to complete this deal? What we know is that he can make 20 toys in a day. The second thing we know is that he has to make 160 toys. What I need to find is how many days will he take to complete it. Remember this. That is, the total toys would be toys made in a day into number of days. Now he has to make 160 toys and he makes 20 in a day. What I need to find is how many days, that is number of days. If I find number of days from this formula, that would be total toys divided by toys made in one day. So number of days would be total toys divided by toys made in one day. This would give me total toys he has to make is 160. So this is equal to 160 divided by toys made in one day. In one day he makes 20 such toys. So this gives me 8. That is, number of days he would take to complete these 160 toys would be 8 days. In 8 days he would be able to complete this deal. So this is what you see, 160 by 20, which is 8. So 8 days he takes to complete his deal. Now let's look at this. It says that Ajay plows 1/6 of a field in one day. How many days would he take to complete the whole field? Now, let's look at this field. Let's say this is the field. Ajay is plowing 1/6 of this field in one day. If I assume this whole field as 1, then the work Ajay is doing is 1/6 of field. If my field, the total field is 1, a unit, then I can say that he is doing 1/6 of 1, which is 1/6. This is his work. So what does 1/6 mean? 1/6 means you divide one unit into 6 equal parts and one such part. So remember, the denominator tells me how many equal parts I have to divide a unit in, and the numerator tells me how many such parts. So one of those 6 equal parts. So what I do is I divide this entire field. I make this one unit, this is 1, and I divide this one field into 6 parts. So I'll divide it into 6 parts. This is what I get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal parts. Now Ajay plows 1/6 of the field, that is one part out of these 6 in one day. So this would be his work in one day, 1/6 of the field. Now I want to find how many days would he take to complete this whole field. So we know that in one day he is doing this much work. So what about next day? Next day again he will do one of these 6. Day 3, he completes 3 of the 6. Day 4 he is completing 4. Day 5 and day 6. So what you see is that in 6 days, this entire field is done. That is, he plows the whole field completely in 6 days. So now let us try to look at it mathematically. We know that total work, we've seen total toys were toys in one day into number of days. Now total work would be work in one day into number of days. So now what I need to find is how many days he takes to complete the whole field. So I need to find number of days. That would be total work done divided by work done in 1 day. This is what I get. Now total work which he has to do is what? This whole farm, completing the entire farm, which would be, if I call my farm as 1, the whole farm as 1, so total work that he has to do is 1, that whole farm, and work done in 1 day is 1/6 of 1, which is 1/6 only, divided by 1/6. So I have 1 divided by 1/6, or I can say 1 times 6/1. So this gives me 6. That is, number of days he'll take to complete the entire field would be 6, which we'd already seen. We'd seen that he takes 6 days to complete this entire field. Now, let's say Jagannath plows this whole field in 12 days. What would he do in 1 day? How much work will he do in 1 day? Can you answer that now? Let us look at this. Again, mathematically we know that total work done is work done in a day into number of days. What I need to find is how much work does he do in a day. That is this, work done in 1 day. So work done in 1 day would be total work done divided by number of days. This is what I get. Now, what is the total work that he has to do? He has to plow the whole field. So if he has to plow the whole field, that is the whole field as a unit 1. So I can say that total work to be done is 1. That is the entire unit, the entire field. Number of days. He plows the whole field in 12 days. To do this work, total work, which is the field, he takes 12 days. So number of days is 12. So I get that work done in 1 day is 1/12 of the field. That is, work done in 1 day is 1/12. Now if I try to visualize this, let's say this is Jagannath. I divide it into 12 equal parts because I know that he is doing 1/12 of a field in a day. So I divide it into 12 equal parts. Now he is doing one of those 12 parts. That is, he is doing one part out of these 12 parts. So this is his work in 1 day, which is 1/12. Now we were given that he completed the whole farm in 12 days, and we were supposed to find the work he does in 1 day. So we found this 1/12. So do you think he would be able to complete the field in 12 days now? Let's visualize this. This is his 1 day work. Now if I try to see his 12 days work, this would be this. So 1 day, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So he completes the whole field in 12 days. So remember that total work done is work done in a day into number of days. So this is the formula that you need to remember. From this you can find work done in 1 day also, or the number of days also. Whatever you need to find, you can use this formula to calculate that.